Goenkans. Today our topic is self-reference of another worksheet. We can use self-reference of one worksheet in our another worksheet. It can be done in two ways. One is we can use our copy-paste option. That is very common with us. Every time we use copy-paste. So one option is that. Another is using sheet reference. Let's see first the copy-paste option. In this workbook we are working on sheet 1, so now let's just click on sheet 2 and work with it. To save the time, I have already written two columns here, that is month and salary. So I have written month, few months here in the month column, and in salary I have written the salary in that month. So say for a particular person in Jan the salary was this much, and if for Feb it was itna. So I have already written the data. Now we'll click on sheet 1 tab. Say I want to calculate all the month's salary here. So for I have already my total formula that is here in sheet 1 in B16. There is already a formula. So what I'll do is I'll just click on the formula, then control C, I'll copy it, and then I'll move to the sheet 2 column, and then the cell where I want the result, I'll click on that and will write control V. So as you all can see here my result is, and with my range only. So it is B1 to B12. What I have to do is our formula starts from B4 and ends at B11. So this is how we use the cell reference of one worksheet in another worksheet by using control and paste or copy and paste option. Now the other option is using sheet reference. In sheet reference we need to add one exclamation mark and cell address and sheet number as well. So we need in our using sheet reference we need three things, that is sheet number, exclamation mark, and we need cell address. So let's just see how it works. Say for example here the salary is 12,000. I'll be adding the incentive amount column to this respective salary. So for that what I have to do is I'll be beginning with my formula, that is equal to sign. Now I'll write the salary that is in B4 of this sheet only. Now I want to add the incentive amount of our sheet 1. So I'll be writing first the sheet number, that is sheet 1. As you all can see the name here is sheet 1. So I'll be using sheet 1. Then before writing the cell address of sheet 1 which we're going to use with this, we have to use exclamation mark. Now let's just see where is the incentive amount, that is in D4 of sheet 1 here. This is the D4. So we'll move to our cell, we'll use D4, we'll write D4 and enter. So the result is 14,000. Why it is 14,000? Because 12,000 is 12,000 is the salary amount, and incentive amount in D4 is 2,000, which got added to the total salary that is here. Now if we want it for the rest of the cells, what we have to do is, one is copy paste. The other option of copying all the formulas is just drag the mouse pointer to the rest of the cells when it changed to a copy pointer symbol. Copy pointer symbol is this one. Okay, so this is how we use sheet reference for another worksheet. Now one more thing is naming a sheet tab. By default Excel has three worksheets that we all know, that is sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So renaming is, we can add as many as we want. So for renaming we just have to do two ways of renaming. We can right click on it and then select rename, then we can write any name. Say I'll write incentive here, then enter. The other way is double click on it, then I'll write salary. So this is how you can rename a sheet. Now we can also change the color of the sheet tab. What we have to do is, say we want to change the color of the sheet tab, I'll just select on the sheet name and then I'll right click, and then there is an option tab color, so I'll just use purple. Now as you all can see, my sheet color has changed. Salary sheet color has changed to purple. This was for today. Thank you and take care.